Alrighty guys, how are we doing today? It's Noah coming back at you. Let's see, today I've been trading the Micro Emini S&P 500 versus the regular Emini S&P 500. Like I was saying yesterday, it's 50 cent or $50, not 50 cents, $50 for one contract. Commission's like $1.21 after everything. Which, I mean, that's where it gets you, is $1.21 a commission. It's $1.25 a tick. So that's a little bit pain in the ass. But I mean, it's great to learn if you don't have much money in your account. It's great to definitely learn price action trading with real money. Help you with the psychological aspect of it. Build your position sizes, your executing, your all that stuff. So it helps a lot. It's a great tool. I haven't used it. I didn't know how to use it. I thought I had to pay for it monthly through NinjaTrader. But if you have NinjaTrader and you have just the regular ES that you trade, you literally can trade the MES. You just go to instruments, you add the instrument to it, and yeah, it's really not hard. But anyways, how do you get the fuck off these? I'm closing things out. But anyways, today, like I was saying yesterday, I was thinking yesterday, honestly, towards the end of the day, that in the after hours it was going to pull up, which, I mean, I guess you could say it did pull up in the after hours, but definitely not off the bat. As soon as the after hours opened, it looks like it literally just tumbled all the way down to 27.76, which is a whole new low for the day. Right here, this is the high of day from yesterday, and this is the low of day for today, which we're actually beating the high of the day from what we had yesterday. So that's a great sign. I might look for a pull up tomorrow, especially since today was mostly just all sideways. Since it was sideways, there wasn't really many trades you could make. I mean, you could trade tops and bottoms. I made one good trade earlier. It was right here. I scalped this on the top. It was on the third channel right here. It went for a breakout. It failed to break out. And then I had this first entry right here, a pullback. And then as soon as I saw this red candle cross over this, I took a short position about right here, about 65 to 865 flat. I scalped down here for, it was like 10 ticks or something like that, which, I mean, it wasn't too much, but it was still a good trade. It wasn't this right here. I was just seeing how much it would come out with after commission and everything. I was just messing around right there. But I made that on my NinjaTrader account today. I scalped down right here. I thought about taking another scalp right here, but I wasn't sure since that was a 20, and I mean it did drop right there, but I know I made that scalp, so I didn't bother trying to get in right after that. I just continued with the market on the day. I made my goal for the day, so I was good with it. But yeah, today's just been mostly sideways. We had a couple channels right here. The thing about this Micro Emini S&P is with the volume, since I use tick charts, and ticks go by trades, how many trades you make is what makes the one candle. You know, so if you have an 800 tick chart, then it's 800 trades and you get a candle. That's how the chart works with it. So when it comes to a lower volume market, which is the Micro E-mini S&P compared to the regular E-mini S&P, there's a lot less volume compared to the regular E-mini. So when I was running the regular E-mini, I think I was running about 2,000 ticks is what I like using. If from like 9:30 to 11:30, I keep it 2,000 ticks. After that, I would kind of lower it a little bit with volume being less. But from 9:30 to 11:30, I use 2,000 ticks chart, and I mean it plays out great. I was using the 800 tick chart on the MES, which is not bad. It's not bad at all. I feel like I definitely could find a sweet spot, but I'm just gonna play around with that for this week. Rest of this week, I'm gonna start trading this Micro E-mini really as much as I can until I perfect my strategy, because it'd be stupid to trade the regular E-mini and have a chance of my account getting closed out when I could just trade the Micro E-mini and not make as much money, but I learned just as much from trading the real E-mini. So honestly, it's a great tool to use. Then I just work my way up. Whenever I get enough contracts that equal the regular E-mini, then I'll just switch from there, and I'll just do that. Probably save me on commission. I was only trading with one contract today, but yeah, let's get into the market. Yeah, yesterday it just pulled down, as we talked about, and then it crashed again towards the close, like right all the way until the close. It crashed, made a rebound back up. This was the low. This was the high of the day. We literally it was just a range day today. A lot of sideways momentum. When there's a lot of sideways momentum, I like to look for a reversal or a strong move, one of the two. Not necessarily as much as a reversal, but definitely a strong move. Because, in this market, in this situation with this volatility, you really can't predict anything. I might pull back another $100 tomorrow, who knows. But, I'm not going to make any overnight trades on it. Hoping I'm going to wait to see how it plays out tomorrow, and then I'm going to play the graph on how that plays. But yeah, there were a couple moving average bounces, but I feel like that has to do with my tick chart. Definitely in the close, it was kind of slow start in the close, honestly. It was just running smoothly. It was just channeling down is all it was, and that's what I was trading at the beginning of the day around 10 o'clock is I saw these channels, and I was just thinking it was channeling, so I just took some channel trades right there. A little bit of price action. Mostly just right there is the only trade I made. When it got down here around 11:30, I just got off, and I had to go take care of some stuff, get glasses and stuff like that. So I just got off and went and took care of some other stuff. But as you could tell, as soon as 11 o'clock hit, a lot of volume just came out. Really, it's probably just a battle of the prices right now from the bears and the bulls, just trying to control the market after that huge pullback, and bulls trying to push it back up for a rebound, but the bears are trying to hold it from the Fed cuts. So it's understandable. It's just a huge battle at the moment. And it picked back up towards the end of the day, but I wasn't here. I just got on. There's only 4 minutes left in the market. I'm not really going to make any trades right now. I like trading from 9:30 to 11:30 in the morning because those are the sweet spots. I like waking up around 8:30 just to get another hour in the market so I can watch the market for an hour before the market opens. So that way when the market opens, I'm not just jumping in with no idea what's going on or what's been going on. Yeah, that's about it for today. It's mostly just been sideways with this micro. I'm going to do more micro videos. That's what I'm going to do from now on, or micro E-mini vids instead of the regular E-mini. Because I was looking on YouTube, there's really not many traders or trading videos about the micro E-mini. I kind of want to get on that, do that just to see how it is, and hopefully learn to trade from this. A lot of people say it's a great tool to learn on to trade on. The price action works the same. It's cheaper than Forex. You lose less than Forex. You can have less than Forex in an account. So, in my opinion, this is a better way of learning than going into Forex market and then going from Forex market to the futures market and trying to trade the E-mini S&P 500 after trading like the euro to the USD or any currency, rather than just trade a smaller contract than which the contract is that you're trying to trade. Yeah, that's it for today. Have a good afternoon.